When he wakes up, he wipes the sleep from his eyes. Another day at school again, weighing heavy upon his mind. Standing tall, trying to keep it cool, saying yes to everything. He's lost and down. All he cares about is to find a way of fitting in. Don't ever forget to love. Keep loving who you are. Don't ever forget you shine, shining like a star. There's something so perfect, courage in everyone. So don't ever let yourself stop loving who you are. She stood by her mirror, she's wondering how to fix her scarf, filled up with the fear of people staring from afar at the way she talks, just how she walks is tearing up her self-esteem. She's lost in doubt. All she cares about is to find a way of fitting in. Don't ever forget to love. Keep loving who you are. Don't ever forget you shine, shining like a star. There's something so perfect, courage in everyone. So don't ever let yourself stop loving who you are. No matter, ooh, you are always beautiful. No matter, you are incredible. Don't ever forget to love. Keep loving who you are. Don't ever forget you shine, shining like a star. There's something so perfect, courage in everyone. So don't ever let yourself stop loving who you are. Don't ever forget to love. Keep loving who you are. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum, yeah. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum. I know my life ain't perfect, but I don't have to worry, 'cause I've got all that I need right here in my life. I know that because I know it's worth it in the end. I know it's worth it in the end, because I know it's worth
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is harrisJ. Thank you very much for watching my video. For my latest updates, follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The information is below. Assalamu alaikum.
6 a.m. when he wakes up, he wipes the sleep from his eyes.